Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to reset the electric windows in a Vauxhall Corsa D, which may be necessary if you disconnected, then reconnected the battery. This is a simple job that can be done without tools. In fact, all we need is one finger. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Right, let's summarise which problem can be solved by resetting the electric windows. In my car, for example, the left electric window has already been reset, so it works perfectly. We can therefore briefly touch this button, then release it, and the window fully opens. Like so. We can see that is now fully open. In contrast, we can briefly touch the button again, and the window fully closes. There we are. However, the right electric window has not been reset, so as soon as you let go of the button, it stops moving. See what I mean? Resetting the electric window reinstates its normal behaviour, so it will then fully open or close via a brief momentary touch of the button. To reset the electric window, first open it fully. Here we go. And that, as we can see, is fully open. Next, fully close the window, then hold the button for a further 10 seconds. So let's operate the window switch. And the glass is now going up. And as we can see, it's now at the top, but we're keeping pressure on that switch still for about 10 seconds. How long do you reckon it's been? 5, 6, 7, 8? We'll call that 10. And now we can let go of the switch. And that's it. The window has been reset. What do you reckon then? Shall we test it? Yeah. Right then. Single brief press of the button and there we go. The window fully opening all by itself, and now we have a splendid view of the £100 Nissan Micra, which desperately needs a clean. Anyway, that's it. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time, hopefully with perfectly working windows. Bye-bye.